Welcome back, I'm Sowson and I'm at the Stones Hotel in Bali. I have the head chef Buggie here and we're going to make together a gorgeous fish dish for you with all these beautiful ingredients. How's that?
Yes.
Perfect? Okay, we're going to get started.
Red snapper, we cut a half, and then we have some ingredients. It's local ingredients. This most the flavor is like hot, spicy, and fresh.
Oh, very delicious.
Yeah.
So what are the spices that we're using here?
This is for sambal.
Yeah?
We have red chili, garlic, shallot.
Yeah.
We have candle nut. We have lime, lemon. We have chopped garlic, coriander.
Coriander, dried coriander.
Yeah, coriander. And then this is
Bay leaf.
bay leaf. Yeah. And then small chili, hot chili,
And
ginger.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. We're gonna start filling the fish. Okay, we're gonna butterfly the fish. Boneless, and then cut ahead. Like this. And then we marinate with salt, pepper, and chopped garlic, lime juice, and then turn back, make the slice, and then same. We marinate with salt, pepper, and garlic. Here we add the garlic with the chopped ginger, and then we put in the grill. So this ready to put in on grill. We're gonna grill in the back.
This is the actual paste at the end that we'll be spreading on the fish.
Now we're gonna
But
cook.
Buggie's going to actually do it to show us how it's done.
So we're gonna cook a little bit. We chop a little bit. Chili, garlic, shallot, ginger. We blender it to fine, until fine blender. Okay, and then we saute the sauce, the paste, and then we put some lime leaf. So this is gonna be on the put on the fish before we put in the oven or a grill. Say hi.
And these are the boys and the chefs at the Stone Hotel in Bali doing an amazing job.
Rock and roll. And coffee lime leaf. So, and then we chop together. And then we put a slice of coffee lime. Little bit salt and oil. We mix together. Then we have sambal mata. The fish is ready. This is after we grill the fish, and then we're gonna transfer to the plate. Ta-da!
Just been given a gorgeous coconut drink from the boys. Love it. Not bad. I just scored myself a free meal. Yummo.
Welcome to the Sowson Hotel.
Okay guys, it's time to go. Like and subscribe, get on that notification button and get yourself started to all of my delicious recipes from all over the world. Bye everyone.